Hi YouTubers, I am in the process of opening up a KitchenAid hand mixer that I purchased. I haven't opened it up yet. I pulled it out of the box. Just want to show you what the contents look like. So this is a smaller one because I really purchased this in order to use with the vegetable sheet cutter, and because of that I don't have plans, at least right now, to use the mixer. So what I'm going to do is just open this up for you and show you what's inside. Looks like they've given a flyer of some type, about 25% off. And this is what it looks like on the inside with the styrofoam. So it gives you an idea of how it's packaged. I'm going to turn it upside down in order to keep everything from falling out. And that always works best for me. Okay. And I'm just keep it together and turn it upside down. Now what I see here, it says that it's hand wash only. And it points out that washing it in the dishwasher will cause the wire whip to become discolored, and after you wash it, you should dry it thoroughly. It's this little warning label. It comes with a KitchenAid instruction manual, and so this is a K45 series. And it has KSM 45 through KSM 200 series. So again, it's the 4.5 quart. This is the classic model. Over here on the side, they've done a good job of packaging couple of these items. Looks like an attachment for the mixer. And this other one I'm having a little bit of a harder time. And a hook that looks like this. I assume it's for the dough. And let's see, that's it. And so that's it for the styrofoam. And you can see this isn't real big, so I'm happy because I don't like for things to be too clunky and take up too much space. So there you have it. This is the kind of heavy KitchenAid classic model, and I'm going to put my vegetable cutter in this particular area in order to add the attachment. Again, that's one of the main reasons that I purchased it. Thanks.